Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing in. Make sure location and camera permissions are granted so live view and photos work. Once done, update the app if it's not current. Next, find the place you want by search or tap the blue location dot to center the map on you. This gets Maps ready to show any live photos or user-contributed images tied to that location. You're now positioned to access visual options without extra setup delays. You open the Place Details card and scroll to Photos. That's where live photos and short motion thumbnails appear. Once there, scan for subtle motion icons or the word Live. These indicate photos with movement. Tap a thumbnail to play the live photo. It should animate immediately. If you want context, pinch to zoom or swipe left and right to browse more contributions. Make sure you have a steady connection, since motion previews stream small video. Finish by saving or sharing any live photo you need. Tap the three-dot menu on the photo and choose Download or Share. This preserves the animation when supported. If a live photo won't play, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is on and stable, then force close and reopen Maps. That often restores previews. If motion is missing or incorrect, report a problem in the Place Details so contributors or Google can fix it. These steps get you the media and resolve common playback issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.